Did you know you can edit Affinity Publisher files with Affinity Designer? Though you might never need to, but if you ever do, here's a cool trick. As you know, when you import Affinity Publisher files to Designer, it only shows a single page. But if you look closely at the bottom left corner, you can see page numbers. Here you can go to specific pages to make edits and save as Affinity Publisher. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Did you know you can get all our templates for $1 or 925 Nigerian naira? Visit our store, mainstack.store/DBC.